Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to go through an example of calculating percent change. Now remember, we can calculate percent change by taking the new value and subtracting the original value. That gives us the amount of change, the amount of increase or decrease. We then divide that result by the original value. Always divide by the original value because we are finding the percent change from that original value. That's going to give us a decimal. We then multiply the decimal by 100 to convert it to a percent. Let's jump into our example where we have the population of a town went from 8,000 to 9,500 over the last decade. What was the percent change in population? So let's set this up. Percent change equals, and now we need to do the new value minus the original value. Well, the new value is 9,500. That's where the population is right now. So 9,500 minus the original value. That's 8,000. So the population started at 8,000 and went to 9,500 over the last decade. So let's subtract the original value, 8,000. And then we divide that by the original value, which again is 8,000. And then multiply by 100. Now let's work through this, and we will start by subtracting. So 9,500 minus 8,000 gives us 1,500. And that's the amount of change. The population changed by 1,500. And that's positive. So that tells us we have an increase here. If that was negative, that would tell us we have a decrease. So the population increased by 1,500. Let's divide that amount of change by 8,000 and then multiply by 100. So now we divide. 1,500 divided by 8,000 gives us 0.1875. So 1,875 10,000ths. So that's our decimal, and we need to multiply that decimal by 100 in order to convert it to a percent. And remember, a quick way to multiply by 100 is to move the decimal twice to the right. So once, twice. The decimal is now in between the 8 and the 7. So that gives us 18.75%. And that's positive. So again, that tells us we have an increase here. So what was the percent change in population? Well, 18.75%. And that was an increase. So an 18.75% increase. So there you have it. There's an example of how to calculate percent change. Check the description for more examples. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.